Hello and welcome. Today we'll be learning how to thread an industrial sewing machine. So if this is a video you are interested in learning, then join me and let's learn something new. Before we start, we have to ensure that our presser foot is up and the needle position is also up, this particular place. This is to ensure that we do not interact with the tension of the sewing machine. Before we start, we will have to ensure that this part of the machine is well aligned with this, so we don't thread this way, no, this. Okay, so we'll pick up our thread and then we'll guide it through this hole, pull it out, and we make sure that this is aligned with this, and we pull our thread gently and we pass it through these two holes. So we go through this side, come out from here, pick it up, then go through the second hole and then pick it up again, and from there we pass it through the tension disc, this part, pull it out, then we pass it through this, then we pass it through here. This place I normally don't want to pass it through there because it's optional. And then we go here, we thread it. Then from here, we pass it through this part of the machine. This part, I hope you can see. Gently. Then we move down to this coiled metal here, where we are going to pass it through it twice. 1, 2, to ensure that it has properly gone around the coil. Then from the coil, we move to this tiny hole here. You pass it through this part. Then you pull your thread out nicely. Then you now thread your needle. Pull your thread out nicely. The bobbin has already been threaded, so we on our machine. Let's use a sample fabric to test what we've done. We on our machine. Good. Okay, then next we try to catch the bobbin thread gently. So as you see that we've caught it now, we bring it out gently this way. So we are going to test what we've done with a sample fabric that I have here. I'm going to sew this. We put our feet down, our presser foot, sorry, then we on the sewing machine and test what we've done. So let's turn off this light so we can appreciate the stitches. So we go. Good. So you can see the beautiful stitches that we've been able to make. When you turn the back to, the stitches are perfect. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section, and we'll have some more fun in our next video.